namin open level. Tama. Luck na lang kung saan siya pupunta. Sana hindi siya magbago kasi ever since doon na nga ako, hindi siya, mabait siya, tsaka hindi siya mapabaya sa mga tao niya.
Ma'am Catholic lang, sana maganda yung pagkakaroon mo. Sana hindi mo kami nakalimutan. Ganun din kami, hindi ka rin namin nakalimutan.
I'm sure there's something you planned about, so I know you're gonna do better after Samsung. Alam ko hindi ko nasabi sa before, but I really respect you at saka yung professionalism mo. And I think wherever you go, especially if you go abroad or whatever, even there in the Philippines, you're gonna do a lot.
Tita Kathleen,
Tita Kathleen,
on your new job.
on your new job. Good luck,
Tita Kathleen,
Tita Kathleen,
on your new job.
on your new job.
Kathleen, good luck in your new job. Okay.
Hello Kathleen, good luck sa new work mo. And enjoy life after Samsung. Kasi masaya after Samsung. Okay, so hello to everyone there then, and hope you enjoy your farewell party. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
Oh, why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. Don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through, 'cause I've seen the dark side too. When the night falls on you, you don't know what to do. Nothing you confess could make me love you less. I'll stand by you.
Mamimiss ka namin. Kung sakaling, syempre kung magkakaiwalay na tayo, sana magkaroon pa rin tayo ng time na magkasama-sama pa rin.
Actually, nalungkot na ako at naiyak na nung nalaman ko na aalis ka. Pero sabi nga, ganun talaga ang buhay. We must move on. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung pag-inom ng mundo. So, naiintindihan namin yun, and we wish you good luck and God bless sa lahat-lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay. Ang request lang namin, sana wag ka makalimot kahit busy ka. Lagi ka pa rin mag-keep in touch.
When you're standing at the crossroads and don't know which path to choose, let me come along. 'Cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you.
Thank you sa lahat na natutunan ko sa technical. Thank you rin for being a friend.
I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you.
Salamat sa lahat ng payo. Iyak na naman ako.
Na-experience sa buhay ko ngayon. Just have faith, no? Yun lang, kung natanggalin yung faith na kung ano yung mangyayari, gusto mong mangyari. Just have faith. And then, alam naman natin na kung hindi sa atin ni God, hindi man sa araw, hindi man ngayon, bukas, but God knows in time.